Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 31st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So, yesterday we had interest rate for the CAD and interest rate for the US. Neither of them changed rates, and that definitely did not cause a change of trend. I mean, I've been saying for the last few days if we get a break of structure down at a fib level, then that likely would be the end of an ABC. Definitely don't see a break of structure to the downside at a fib level, which means we should definitely still be bullish until we do see that. So going to the 1 hour time frame, yeah, it's a little bit above this, but if it does, turn down today, break structure, that's what would turn me back into a bear, and I would definitely start looking for shorts after the break of structure. But we do not see that picture, do we? So what should we be doing? We should be going long. We should be looking for longs. This thing could continue to make higher highs, higher lows. So definitely recommending longs until we get a breaker structure down at a Fibonacci level, which obviously we do not have yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.